Alright, boys and girls, for your problem set, lesson 11, it says Jeremy had 7 big rocks and 8 little rocks in his pocket. How many rocks does Jeremy have? So you're going to circle all the student work that correctly matches the story. In order to know if it correctly matches the story, I should see 7 big rocks and 8 little rocks, and I should probably have the correct answer. So if I look, I see 7 plus 8 equals 15 in each one of these, which means I'm going to have to take a closer look at the pictures, right? So in this picture, I see 7, and I see they circled 8, even though they made their 10 here. In this picture, I see 5 and 5, so here's the 10 that they made, and then there are 5 left over. In this picture, I see a nice, neat 10 group, and then I see 5, 6, 7, 8 left over. How were they able to do 8 left over? They didn't get this 10 from the 8 or the 7, so this one looks a little suspect. Indeed, they have 7 plus 8 equals 15. Looks like they turned the 7 into a 10 here, and they have 5 left over to make 15. This one, they turned the 8 into a 10 with this 2, so and then they added the 5 more. This one, they have 7 and 8, they took their 2 5s to make that 10, and there are 5 left over, and it does get me to 15. Let's go back and recount these. We have 10, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that could work. This one, they took their 2 5s at the top, and then the bottom. So what you need to do is circle all the work that correctly matches the story. The next one says, fix the work that was incorrect by making a new drawing in the space. So these couple ones that were incorrect, you want to fix them. Number 3, solve your own. Show your thinking by drawing or writing. Write a statement to answer the question. There are 4 vanilla cupcakes and 8 chocolate cupcakes for the party. How many cupcakes were made for the party? You could draw your picture of the vanilla cupcakes and the chocolate cupcakes and make a 10. You can make a number sentence and count on. Do not count all, you don't need to. And then number 4, there are 5 girls and 7 boys on the playground. How many students are on the playground? Draw your picture, circle your 10. Write out the problem, 5 plus 7, and show your number bond. Do whatever it is that you're the most comfortable doing to get to that answer. Alright, sound good? I'm just going to scan up here real quick. So it looks like the only one that would be incorrect here, there's only one that doesn't make sense here. So you need to decide which one doesn't make sense, and then fix it down here. Alrighty? Make sure you check your answers, and good luck to you. Ask a buddy, expert, or go back and check your work if you need extra help. Put your name on the small group mini lesson board.